everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Large swathes of southwest China were hit by heavy rains and strong winds that caused landslides and blackouts. Authorities said 25 tourists camping on an island off the southern coast of Guangdong province were rescued on Sunday as the typhoon approached. Another rescue operation took place in a mountainous area in Hubei province earlier in the day. About 25 local tourists were taken to safety after being stranded. The road was cut off when rocks and trees fell from the mountainside. Further west in Sichuan province, strong winds tore down trees and shattered windows in tall buildings in the city of Mianyang, according to Chinese television. Rainstorms also hit a number of roads. A national highway linking Sichuan to the eastern province of Zhejiang collapsed. Authorities opened a temporary emergency road. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our next video.